Hello and welcome to the Surface 11 Search Box tutorial series, made especially for interior designers and architects like you to access the world's finest award-winning materials and surfaces. This is Tutorial 5, How to Access Technical Data and Specify Our Products. You have now selected your desired product and are ready to compile essential documents for your material specifications. As you scroll down the product page, you'll see an important section called Download. Here you have the option of instantly downloading the product's datasheets. Every product on our website has this option. You may also download installation, maintenance guides, and in some cases, manufacturer warranties. After selecting the shape and size of your product, we are now ready to download this product's datasheet. Click on Product Datasheet to download. You'll find that your search criteria are captured in this product's datasheet. This includes a web link that goes back directly to the product in case you need it in future. With these download options, you are ready to specify our products in your material specifications. That's it for Tutorial 5, How to Access Technical Data and Specify Our Products.